Good morning, friends. This is Jeff Arcos. Welcome again to the daily webinar. Today we are Thursday, 18th of July, 2019. Remind you this webinar is not meant to be a financial advice. This is only an education presentation. Please consider terms and conditions before you continue. Same when you're receiving this recording. So thank God for another day into my life and I pray His blessings today in Jesus' name. Amen. All right, good morning. And first of all, apologize for yesterday. Apart from having this important matter that I have to attend, I got sick last night, no, yesterday, the day before, since 12 o'clock. I went to a restaurant and I don't know what I eat or just was excused, but then from 12 o'clock, wake up with a pain in my belly. Very, very sharp. Never normally don't have that kind of pain. And loose bowels ever since, and I haven't stopped it until right now. So last night was, and I have to go and do what I have to do with that sickness like that. It was just no fun. And I just try to eat something now, but the pain in my belly is still very strong. So I could not, after I came back, I could not even come to my computer. I just went to my bed and lay there from all afternoon, all night. So I went straight through. Oh. So yes, I'm really sorry for last night. Oh, yesterday. But I hope I get better today. Okay. At 11:30, we have unemployment change, unemployment rate today with Australian. So we'll see. We got some bearishness in the Australia at the moment, but we'll see what happens with that. 6:30, we have retail sales, and it's a little bit different from the forecast to the previous, so it might be affecting. G7 meetings today. There's nothing that we can have a look, but I guess it's all day. And nothing more that. After that, midnight, 4:15, we have FOMC members William speaks, but that's all. All right, so let's look at in our chats what we have. So that's Monday. I was looking from last week. The trade was continue on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Now, what happened yesterday? We got a signal to go sell. We got a three double top, triple top resistance. We got a New Zealand wick and we got below to the midline. Don't change color can change. So what I normally do with the EA when I have this occasion is that okay, I put my stop loss there. I want to enter. Better show you that. Now which one is which one? No, that one there. And so what I normally do when that happens is so in this one. So what I normally, because I put my stop loss in here. So I put my stop loss over there. So now I want to go short in that position, and then I want 10 pips buffer. So if the stop loss is here, so I didn't use at the midpoint to entry this trade because it's still an active trade. So when I have an active trade, I don't use the midpoint. I want to use that. So in other words, this trade need to be closed for the New Zealand US to go down. So which it didn't happen. So and then today I changed it from from short to long, but that's what I put the Don Chin over there. And yeah, so we will see some cases that it happened the same. And yeah, so today, because you never know that, maybe this is just a retracement, and some ones did a retracement, but other ones didn't. So, and I don't know, um, are we going to go through? So at least we're still in a very good buffer. So we'll see what happened from there. We got the pound New Zealand Monday, Tuesday continue, Wednesday running, and Thursday are we here. And so I'm just keep trailing, as it goes over there. So if something happened today, this one as well will trail me with 15 pips into that. So I'm aiming for the target over here, and yeah, so that's been quite good at there. Euro New Zealand, so we got on a beautiful ABC. The market did not trigger me, as I say, from there. It triggered me in the pullback of the midpoint, and there it is running from that trade. Let's continue on Tuesday, to Wednesday, and Thursday is just, yeah, continue rally, beautiful from there. So that's my target. So the same target I have here is that target over there, and at least I got something locking up, and yeah, it's just matter there. New Zealand yen, we did have a long position in that. Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday is continue now, so I have survived. From that is yesterday we did have a no, we didn't have a signal. New Zealand is very strong at the moment, so that helps to continue over there. And this is the job once a day. It's not something that you come in, every hour or things. Like I said, at nighttime, last night I couldn't even come to check. I couldn't even move out of my bed. It was just so weak with this pain that and yeah. So anyway, U.S. Swiss, that is a Monday. Tuesday we got an entry. Wednesday we got a stop, and Thursday now we got the buy of yesterday. So that was a nice ABC bullish. We got the U.S. Swiss going up. Everything here indicators that we should be long. So then the market come to the midline, and this is what I hopefully the EL will be resetted, or because at the moment it's just triggering like a limit by limit. Anyway, so the market cap, so that's I carrying my risk. Now we do have today a sell signal, because now if it's not going up, it's going down. We have the index meter with us. We got the same thing, the color trend has changed the color. We are below midpoint. We got the downtrend now already into that. So with the US Swiss, if I can recall there. So what I do here, I got a short position over there, and it's 10 pips below. So this is only 3 pips away from that line. So if the market will come over there, actually here is when I need to be looking the trailing stop. Okay, so this is 10 pips. Oh no, this is 5 pips, sorry. So here, the trailing stop will work over here. Where did it go? Oh, it disappear. So that's mean that if 5 pips is in the trailing stop to get me out of there, but this is already will take me out, so I don't need even to change that one, the trailing stop, because this is my stop now. You put 15 pips if you want to change. Yes, I should not change it, because this is my stop anyway, and we are here, maximum 5 pips distance from that. So I will get out of it anyway. All right, so that's that. I prefer to have the trailing on 15 just to avoid, the announcement of volatility through the sessions, not to get out of that quickly over there. But yeah, but the main thing is that this buffer for my short position is 10 pips, and 10 pips is somewhere over there. So if this one will work, and this is what I did with the New Zealand, and just so look that one there, and then look at the moment it went all the way up, because really at the end of the day, we cannot say with 100% secure assurance. We're just playing one day at a time. The position for me here, it was good. This is actually was a good buy, because it looks this one as a retracement. This is one day pullback, and the US Swiss is there, and everything looks to me beautiful. No, there was no doubt at all, and it's amazing with the pain and the dizziness I was having yesterday, how easy could the index meter make my life for me, because I just look this, and then I only need to find a reason, no excuse why I should be trading there, and that was my reason. So I have plenty of reason. This is the weekly support level as well. This is the monthly midline. This is the ABC. So I have a lot of reasons why the index meter was with me, and that's it. And the only thing I can do is just pull the trigger, and that it is. So now I'm looking that the index meter is changing the direction. Take the loss, and just put it there. So I'm not worried to be, correctly political. How I say political correctness? I just don't try to tell to the market what to do. I just play in their games of what they do. But with proper money management, proper, things, I think things works that way much better. Australia, US, beautiful run. Continue Tuesday. Wednesday it has the pullback. So this is another that I did. So what we see over here. So there is like a less than 5 pips. So I put the entry at 10 pips for the short that we have over here, and that it is. So what happened? The market just got me out of, and then the market just kept me into that short position now that we're looking over there, and yeah, so we'll see now what happened. Okay, so that's now the stop loss, and that's it. In the Australian today is still weak, so that's an incredible resistance level that we see where it is. So it's strange for me because New Zealand is running up, and normally Australia and New Zealand going together. But since I got the index meter, I'm not trading what I believe, but trading what I see. US yen is being a little bit of moves here as the market is continue running. So I got my target, I got everything in place on Tuesday. Wednesday got a stop out, that's part of the game. And then again here, beautiful ABC, double time to come back over there. I'm looking this, yeah, that's a nice opportunity. I see everything indicates me here. Pull the trigger, everything is over there, and yeah, that's it. So then the only thing, let the EA to do the job. So the EA come over here, get me over there, and get out of me over there straight away from this trace over here. All right, so that's how normally works. So Euro US Monday, Tuesday. We were looking to continue going long, so the long got trigger. Oh no, this thing just lost the. I don't know, sometimes does this. Oh, there you are. And why I'm losing here? Euro US number 2. So that's Wednesday. We lost 70 pips. Thursday we lost another 12 pips, and that's today. So yeah, does it say being 2 losses? Looking, the direction is telling me to look. So today I have an incredible level of support. So it's been quite significant. We got the Euro US is there. The color has changed. There is about the midline. This one hasn't changed yet, so you carry a little bit of risk, but I believe it's a quite good level where we are. We are about the midline of the daily, and we'll see that until tomorrow. Pound US, we're looking to go long. We lost with the long 26 pips. Then the market just went completely down short. We were looking to go short in that day when we lost that one there. So we're looking to go short. And I have a question about when we do the 1 hour, when we do the 30 minutes. So we will do after this one. I will explain there. Now, I said the trailing stop with some currencies 15, other ones 5, because the US Swiss, for example, are very low volatile currencies. So everything related with the euro, apart from the euro US, euro crosses, pound crosses, they are high volatile, so they need more pips for the trailing. But in these small ones, you don't need that because 15 pips would be a huge distance from there. So that's we're changing the the settings from that. So that was there. So now this is when it did not reach the midpoint. If I would have put it both, I would have get into this trade, isn't it? And look what I missed over there. But well, we talk more about that. Then the sell got triggered yesterday, and now this is my risk. Now I'm looking to go long here. That's a beautiful 4 touches. We got the bar over there. We got the pound US and the daily. We got the color change. This one as well as the euro hasn't changed yet, but at least we have the color change and we have that. So therefore, in this one, I got the same thing. I put it even a little bit lower over there, and I put it the Donchen to trade long. I'm not looking the midpoint because of the trade that I have open over there, carrying the risk still. So that's how we'll see who's gonna win at the end. US Canadian, so we were looking to go short of that last week. The market comes, hits on a midline again, beautiful touch it, and then the market runs from there. Got a break even as I got a. Now, if I put 30 pips on a stop loss, I put a 30 pips break even. If I put 50 pips a stop loss, I put a 50 pips break even because there are sometimes currencies that you need to put in more than 50, like a 60, 70, or 80. So the break even has to be, well, it's just some rules that I made so I can do it that way. Right. So here we got Wednesday, nice setup over there. With the U.S. Canadian, everything looks good on Wednesday, and then Thursday got the trade. So now I got it. I stopped the trade. Got over here, so that's my stop. I have over there, and today I have a sell over there now. That's a beautiful. It seems like when we look in that run over there, the market is actually coming up and going down, up and down. It doesn't go that much, but it's still going that direction. So U.S. Canadian, it has that the beariness. We got everything in place over here. So therefore, in here now, that's my stop. I got the sell below to that level over there. And so if this one, let's say, the market will bounce from there and goes, then the sell never get activated and it's still running the buy that I did yesterday with this one. Swiss yen, nothing in Monday, nothing in Tuesday, nothing in Wednesday. And today, Thursday, we got a sort of some kind of nice pattern over there. Breaks the pattern, is not that convinced the pattern. The candle is quite good. But anyway, so we got from here it's been doing red, green, red, green, red, green, red, green, and then red, red, and red. So seems like the strain is there. We are below to the midpoint. The Donching is already in a bearish move. So everything looks to me today, and the index mid as well is with that there. So In this one, I got the midpoint again. So we'll see how that happened over there. Oh, not that one. Canadian yen, we're looking to go short. So so in this case, the market went up. Here pierced the midline, got up into there. Remember when you see the price is going through there, you would say why it is not asking, because this is what we see in our chart is just the midline price, but the bid and the ask it is actually in a different position. So that's what it gets there. So that was in Tuesday. Wednesday, we got a stop out with 12 pips, um, and then nothing more from that. Euro Canadian, look over there again. Didn't trade the breakout. The market come back to the midline. That was Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So it's been a lot of resistance to go in that direction. But well, hopefully now we'll see that the market will play that direction. Pound Canadian, here we don't see nothing. Tuesday, possible setup sell. The market went without telling us. So on Wednesday and Thursday, got trade. And as I say here, the market went 64 pips. So the break even comes and then got a stop out. So with break even, so I'm not worrying. So here is still because I did the sell manually. So in this case, we did got it that one there. So okay, so that one there. Pound Australia, we got that trade from here, came back to the midline, go through. Tuesday runs, Wednesday and Thursday it got a stop out with 231 pips. So that's it. We're not chasing anymore from here because it's a nice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days possible. And yeah, unfortunately, it came up very strong. So, but yeah, I think at 230 pip. Now, if I would have targeted 1618, I would have get the full range, but because I was looking for the midpoint line over there, yeah, so I did not get that one there. I would have, because I have the same targets in here, but that's okay. But that's the beauty that Donchain as well help us, to do that. And yeah, then tomorrow, Friday, maybe we have a bearish day. I don't know. We'll see. But until now, it done the purpose. Euro Australia, we carrying the short from there. We got a stop out with 120 pips. So thank you very much. And then got back again into a trade. So as a number 2, lost 32 pips and got back again into a sell. So we'll see that one how we'll do. So it doesn't look that one there. So hopefully it will survive that one there. Otherwise, that's it, finish for the week there. Australian yen, we're looking to go long. When long, and then it got to stop out. Now this is yesterday. For some reason, I forgot to put it up. On yesterday, we did have already, let's look at yesterday index meter. Australian yen yesterday was in a bearish. We did have that a little bit of there. The one thing I was looking is this strong resistant area that we are there. And so I got the sell over there, and then for some reason I forgot to change the settings for Donchain below. So today it just got a stop out with the 11 pips on profit, and then the pullback. So this one I did a mistake, but this one should be my entry somewhere over here. So at the moment now I got the trade from that. But yeah, every time we see this heavy resistance, especially in the index meter, is with us. 10. But if you would have come at nighttime, you would have seen that was a quite nice trade. So Australian yen, um, euro yen, we're looking to go short the market. And this is when you see, how do you know this is going to break down or is going to come back? You know, that's the tricky part of it. Um, that's Wednesday continue and Thursday is continue now going towards the target if that is the case. Pound yen, nothing in Monday. Tuesday we were looking to go. When was the this day here? I'm looking to go short in and that it is just sneaking the into the one little tail over there. Now from here to there is a lot of pips for the pound yen. So that's what the midpoint. One thing, when we put in both, one thing that I sometimes I don't like it is, let's say for example here, we put in both over there. The market trigger you over here, stop you over there, and then maybe re-enter over there. So yeah, so that's the tricky part of putting both, instead of relying with that one there. So pound yen continue running, and that's it. Now the dollar in Monday was quite okay, Dave, no worries. Quite good. And then we're looking to carry the sell as the weekly candle closing was in place. The market come, stop us out, then it's changed his mind to go buy. Everything it looks to me for buy. Now the market is possible wants to go short. The index mira today is quite bearish, and we see that in my range of this is my highest point that I have over here. So I'm looking the range of the golden candle from here, and it seems like we are in that range over there. So what I do is sell over there this be a stop out there, and then the buy the sell, sorry, close the buy and open the sell over there. So we'll see what happens. Hopefully the dollar will make his mind. That was golden Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and I know that was sorry. It's not Wednesday. I could not have it. Like I said, couldn't even walk to my bed, to my office because I was so weak from the day. So that's that. Yeah. So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna change as well that the here because it seems like with this one we get better entries and the other instruments. So yeah, we're gonna do. So here it is. I'm waiting for the pullback. So I will not trade in the break, but that's a nice break that we have over there for the trading. Monday, Tuesday, and then we don't have Wednesday, but we're going straight to Thursday, which should close me out the position over there. And now it looks to me that yesterday it could be a nice sell. So now I have a sell limit to the midline and see what happens from there. S&P 500 we're going up, and today Thursday that it is. It's just about to look, for example, this candle over there, bearish, and here it was a very clear signal, isn't it? It's just incredible how here you can, make an assumption of what could happen in the market. That's a nice way of trading your stop, and then if it sells below to that or the midline or whatever. But yeah, it's quite cool, really, this way. The Australian 200, nothing. Then we're looking to go buy, but nothing happened. Market now, don't know, just don't like much that candle. It's not that strong, and everything is below in the CCI as well. The Dash is down, went up, ready to go long, and got the long, and now I got a stop loss for that long. See what's gonna happen. My eyes are hurting now. UK 100. We're looking to buy. The buy got through, and today we carrying the risk, so I move my stop later to here. The Japanese market, we're going long, survive, and then got a stop out now. And now, yeah, it's looking to go short, and everything is on the way down. Now, Bitcoin, we got that. We tried to buy a stop, didn't work. Now, this is the way I'm gonna, even with the indexes, gonna put it, because at the end of the day, when we see this, when we look in bars like this, when we got resistance, we can make assumptions, to trade, to the long term, short term. But I think it's gonna give us more entries that way. So that's same with this one. This is Ethereum. So the day that it broke that trend line is the day that the Donchen changed from blue to red below the midline and everything. And look, it's very straightforward. Not much analysis to do. Apart, when we have this event, is just to say, okay, do we have a shopping level in the top? Do we have a reasons why shoulder, head and shoulder, break of the neckline? And yeah, so we can, do it well with this one over here. Litecoin, Monday, Tuesday, and today, the same. So I changed it the same over here. Support became resistant, and that day everything changed. Even the next day would be quite good at the end of the day. All right, so I close the video for there, and thank you very much, and we'll see you tomorrow if everything is okay.